In this video, I will show you how to make your YouTube channel private. To do this, what you want to do is just go to studio.youtube.com and sign into the correct channel. Then go to settings in the bottom left. And then from there, you want to go into channel and click advanced settings. Now here scroll to the bottom and there you will see remove YouTube content. So click on that. This will redirect you to the following page where you want to go and sign into your account by entering your password. And then from here, you want to then either click I want to hide my content or I want to permanently delete my content. And I'll just use hide. And then from here, you can make everything private at once. So go and click on the following will be made private. And then you can see the following will not be hidden. So go and tick both of those boxes and then click hide my content. And then all of your videos will be made private at once. So that's how to make your YouTube channel private. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.